Hi, this is Phil West, reporting for Carol Nash Insidebikes, and we're here in sunny South Wales for the UK launch of the all-new BMW R 1300 GSA, the adventure version. We're riding in the Brecon Beacons. We haven't done that many miles yet, but already I'm impressed. What is it? Well, the GSAs have always been a bigger tank, slightly more off-road, slightly more rugged versions of the GS. And the same is true here. It's got a bigger tank, 30-litre tank. It's got the rugged, tougher rear end with luggage attachments, which the standard bike hasn't got. It's got crash bars, it's got extra riding lights, it's got taller screen, all the stuff you expect. What surprised me already so far is that even though it's a bigger, more rugged version, to ride it doesn't really feel like that. You feel it has the road presence and the big look of it, but on board, it doesn't feel much bigger than the standard version. It's cute. The way they've packaged everything is amazing. The tank's really wide rather than high. We parked next to the old 1250 before, and the old one looked a monster, and it is a monster. I loved it, but sometimes when it's fully tanked up, especially two up or with luggage, it was a bit intimidating. This one, especially with the adaptive seat lowering thing, which this one's got, it's just low, nimble, manageable, easy, impressive. I like the look of it. I know it's been contentious at first with this sort of Tonka toy looks, but I love all this extra stuff here and these here and this tank bag thing that comes off, and it's different and stands out, and it still looks rugged and still looks an adventure off-road bike. It's very clever. The basic underpinnings are the same as with the 1300, the 145 big horsepower engine. The updated modes, and the TFT dash is obviously familiar. The chassis is nimble, the brakes are uprated. It goes just as nimbly pretty much as the base 1300, but you've got extra presence. How much does it cost? Well, in base spec it's about 2,100 like for like more than the GS. Is it worth it? I think so. You get a lot for it. You get the bigger tank, you get the extra rugged styling, you get all the things I've mentioned. You also get extra crash bars, you get extra lighting, you get the taller screen, and as with both of them, you get a million of options. It's in dealers pretty soon. There is going to be the new ASA version, the automatic gearbox version as well, which I'm about to try. I'm really enjoying myself so far, and I think it's in the flesh, it looks much better than we first thought in the pictures, and I think it'll be a big hit.